In this video, we're going to look at how we can use RemNote's text referencing feature to help us study and learn material quickly when we've been given a lot of information in text format. So you can see here, I've imported a subchapter from an online physics textbook. I'll leave a link to it in the description. But I've literally just copied and pasted from the website straight into RemNote, including any pictures that exist and anything that was there for most of the subchapter, and I've done the same for another subchapter as well, both of them in a chapter about fluids within physics. So the question is, how does RemNote's text referencing feature work, and how can we use it to help us understand large amounts of text? Well, in my experience, when it comes to reading a textbook, I can generally get maybe one paragraph or two paragraphs in before I feel like I'm not able to take all of it in, and particularly when it's a topic that I'm not familiar with. So the first thing that I want to do before I even go through and properly read it is identify key words in the text, understand those key words, and then go through and read the text so that it's more coherent. I understand what it's trying to say. Well, if we look at a particular dot point like this first one here, what I've actually done is I've already created a couple of rem references in this text. So going through, I identified the word matter was probably going to be a key word, and I identified the word solid was probably going to be a key word as well. So I'll just show you quickly how we do that. First of all, we'll take the word fluid, because obviously this chapter is about fluids. Take the word fluid, we're going to press the open square bracket, and we are going to create a rem called fluid, because that doesn't exist yet. So that is assuming that fluid will be a key word. That's likely given we're in the chapter about fluids. If we open this rem, fluid, the one we just created, you'll see there is one reference, which is the one we just created. But you'll see as well underneath that, the focus on this video is on the text references. And RemNote will automatically detect where the word fluid is appearing in other rem throughout the knowledge base that we're in. You can see that's occurred 6 times, and it's brought up all of the rem involved as well as showing us where they are. So there's one occurrence in 11.2 and there's some more occurrences in 11.1. And what we can actually do is we can go through here and find where the word fluid appears and open square bracket and just make it the fluids, sorry, not fluids, only interested in fluid. And just highlight fluid and then press open bracket and press enter. And we've now got 2 references. But the benefit of using this system, whether or not we actually make them rem references or not, is that all we need to do on our initial reading through the textbook is identify the keywords or words that look like they're keywords, create a rem for that keyword, and RemNote will automatically find references to that word. And we can go through and read those particular rem and take note of what subchapter they're occurring in. So if we're going to read 11.1 today, go through, find all the keywords, and then go through each keyword's rem in turn and read through all of the top points relating to them. And as we do that multiple times with a different focus on different keywords, we'll quickly build up an understanding of what each paragraph is trying to say. Well, I hope that's been some help to you. If you've got any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.